Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Alice daily update. So let's see where are we going, guys. And before we begin, I would like to say thank you for watching. I will go and dive into the technical analysis and the price prediction. So guys, if we were here, let's say that we were on this top right there on 13 July and we wanted to find possible support levels or when to get in, right? And we weren't sure when to get in. I would recommend that you do this one right here. Start your Fibonacci retracement on the trading view from the bottom around 22nd June and to the top we formed back then on 13 July. And you would find important support levels, right? You would find important support levels, 6.5, 5.9, you can see here, 5.4 around there. And of course, you would find important resistance levels as well. The 8.6 are minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. This is important because I have added this number, the minus 0.236, into the settings. Also the minus 0.5, minus 0.618. If you open the settings, it is right there, guys. You can see on the Fibonacci retracement, you can add any number you like with any color right there. Okay, so I have added the minus 0.236 and we found the next resistance level in case we had made the previous high as a support. So eventually we stopped at around 8.6, you can see here. And what we will do right now is that we will extend our Fibonacci retracement to the top right there. Okay, so now in case we drop a little bit down, you see the major support levels that we have, the 7.3, 6.51 and 5.89 to 5.9. Okay, and the next price target is this one right here, 9.84. Let's go now to the MACD. On the MACD, we have the blue line crossing above the signal line right here, but we want to go all the way upwards. We don't want to have lower highs in the MACD and higher highs in the price. Okay, we just want to surpass the previous highs right here to form higher high and higher low pattern in the MACD on the 4-hour frame. Let's go a little bit to Alice in the USDT to see some important things. First of all, guys, the RSI. The RSI is not in an overbought situation. You can see here it is around 67 now. Actually, it is 61. The top was around 67 today. And of course, the commodity channel index is in an overbought situation. Same here for the stochastic RSI. So 2 out of 3 risk metrics were in an overbought situation. So we definitely had, guys, to go a little bit actually downwards to have a small correction right there. So let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, on an impulsive wave, we follow the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Here you see that the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we are going all the way to the top line, right? And of course, in a normal market, when we are going in the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually correct. When we are going on the bottom line, we usually have a swing high. This doesn't happen on a very bearish market or on an impulsive wave, because on an impulsive wave you can see we are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands, yet we don't correct. That is what happens in an impulsive wave. Let's see a little bit the SSL HYBRID. We had a buying opportunity there, a pretty nice buying opportunity, and we went all the way up for Alice in the USDT valuation, right? You can see that now we don't have to short our positions yet. On the daily frame, we are fine according to the SSL HYBRID. Okay. So let's go right now to the commodity channel index. Actually, we went or we didn't go. I don't remember. And anyway, let's go now to the commodity channel index. We are way above the 100 on the daily frame. Okay, so right now you can see on an impulsive wave, this pattern is very, very usual, and you can see it happens very, very often, right? You can see the stochastic RSI is above the 80 as well. And of course, we have a very, very strong overbought situation when we are above this purple area right here for the commodity channel index, for the actually stochastic RSI, and for the RSI, we are in an overbought situation. Right now, the RSI is a little bit below the 70. This is the top for the RSI, the 70, right around there. Here we go. Once we pass this number, then we are in an overbought situation, means we have a very, very high risk. Okay, so let's go now to Alice Bitcoin chart, and you can see on the 4-hour frame for Alice Bitcoin, we are having 2 out of 3 risk metrics again in an overbought situation. The RSI is not, actually it was, if you can see on 15th July, now it is not. The stochastic RSI was actually at 95 or overbought situation right here for the stochastic RSI, and therefore we might correct a little bit for Alice Bitcoin chart, maybe for Alice Tether USD as well. Okay, so let's go to Alice Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. You can see that on the daily we are in an overbought situation for all of the risk metrics, even for the RSI. Back on Alice USDT we weren't. Now on Alice Bitcoin chart we are. Okay, you can see how are we now. Right now we are way above the 70 for the RSI, and when we have an oversold situation, guys, we are way below. When we have an oversold situation, we are way below the 30. Okay, we are around here as well. So you can see Alice Bitcoin chart now is in an overbought situation. I won't stay here so much, guys. I will go now to the price analysis, and you can see that the first support level for Alice is 7.30, 6.51, and 5.89. If we lose the 5.89 or we go there, probably this impulsive wave for Alice is over. Okay, but we have some certain support levels to look for. If we go to 6.51, it's all okay. We don't have to worry. And if you see the Alice bouncing back a bit, that means, guys, we might be approaching again previous high right there. Okay, so for now, our next price target is this one right here, 9.38. What you should do, in my opinion, is go and invest when we make the 8.56 as a support level, because eventually, guys, you will just have a swing trade of around 15%. It's a very nice swing trade. You don't have to be greedy and invest around there, because we have a high risk going on right here. And if you aren't lucky enough to stop around 7.30 or 6.51, then you will lose tons of money. Okay, if this is the top for this impulsive wave, then you will lose a lot of money. So that's what I'm always saying. Make the 8.56 as support level, then you can go for the 9.83. Okay, the 9.83, as you can see around there, 9.83 to 9.52 actually. This whole resistance level right here. Let me use this rectangle. There you go. You can go in and have some nice profits to this target right here. 10% you can see at 9.50 or even higher at 9.83 to 84. We most likely will go there if we make the 8.56 as support level for Alice USDT chart. And the reason I'm not seeing now so much Bitcoin chart, guys, is because Alice is outperforming Bitcoin, right? And therefore, guys, we outperform Bitcoin, and therefore we don't want to see Bitcoin, because we don't care about Bitcoin right now. If we start to underperform against Bitcoin, then this will mean that, okay, okay, guys, we will probably underperform and we will depend a lot on Bitcoin. But right now, this is not the case. Okay, this is not the case, and we don't want to panic. But you can see Alice USDT chart, we are correcting a little bit. We want to see whether we will stop around 7.30 to 7.35 or even 7.40 around there, guys. You can see this is the support, the first support that we should be aware of. And of course, guys, if we just stand here, if you see Alice standing here and bouncing in between and then goes up, probably it is going above the 8.56, and you know the next price target for Alice in the USDT. That's the best buying strategy for me. You know the risk metrics. We have the 80 for the RSI, the above the 100 for the commodity channel index. The RSI is not in an overbought situation, but you can see that it is at 61. We don't have any overbought situation according to the RSI. We hope that we can go even higher right now, and guys, we might probably do that. Okay, we might probably go even higher. You know the next price target right there. If you want to be sure, then invest at 8.56 when we make this as a support level, not when we touch the 8.56, but if we go at 8.57, we will be probably going upwards to these resistance levels right here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Join our monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, and many more benefits. Join our Telegram group chat, and of course hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.
You gotta be